Hey there, and welcome to Swift Transportation Driver Qualification. We're excited that you'll be joining us for an upcoming class. In this quick video, we'll help you walk in feeling ready, confident, and like you totally know what you're doing, even if you don't yet. Now, before we dive in, everything I'm about to cover is also in your welcome letter sent via email. Your welcome letter tells you where to go, what time to be there, and whether you're in a 1-day or 2-day class. Basically, it's your don't get lost guide. Use it. We believe in you. All right, let's talk about a few things to complete before showing up. Your urine and hair analysis test, your DOT physical, and your online training videos. Think of it like a pregame warm-up, just with a little less sweating and a lot more clicking. Next up, what to bring. If you're traveling and staying at a hotel, pack at least one extra change of clothes, because life happens, coffee spills, weather exists, you get it. And don't forget your identification. Check your welcome letter for acceptable documents listed. This could be your CDL, passport, social security card, permanent resident card, work authorization card, or any of the other listed. Basically, the stuff that proves you are you.
Well, how do I know that you are who you say you are?
Some of you may also need to take a road test during class. If that's you, don't panic. We're not throwing you in the Indy 500. Our driver qualification team will schedule everything and ensure the process runs smoothly. Oh, and important news, snacks and lunch will be provided. Yes, you heard that right, free food. Your welcome letter also includes all location-specific information, plus the contact details for your driver qualification leader. If you have questions, reach out to them or to your recruiter, both excellent humans who want to help you succeed. We can't wait to meet you, help you through the qualification process, and hopefully welcome you to the Swift family soon. Safe travels, come prepared, and we'll see you in class.